Okay, here is Egypt. Do you see him? Okay, I'm gonna go search for Egypt. Everybody! Oh, where's Egypt? Oh, there he is. See that? I'm gonna go in there so you can get a better look. Oh, look at Egypt. Look at the camera. Say hi to the camera. Look at the camera. Who's that hard to look at the camera? Okay. There you are, mister. No! He's back behind there. Okay, I'm gonna have to get through. Get out. Get out. Other way. Okay. I'm trying to get to Caesar. I don't know how. I'm gonna get to Caesar. How are you so skinny? How's so skinny? How's so skinny? That's it in here. How are your dogs so skinny? Your dogs. Go through. Go through. Go through. No. Supposed to go through. Doggy out of here. Doggy out of here. Caesar. Oh, Caesar. Why can't I get Caesar? I touched Caesar, but I couldn't get him to stay.